to the event Global AI Bootcamp 2024 Philippines, Manila. The session is starting from now 5 to 8. We have amazing line of speakers and expert to demonstrate uh, their session. So without taking further time, I'll just show the today. Um, Today I saw not today, like few days before, I was just seeing some kind of memes on the Instagram, several social medias. So this is the one I really like this meme. I took this random picture from, it might be the copyright to the owner. So I just randomly pick it from the meme. So this is very getting popular. Like Devin, we already saw a new AI software engineer. So with that, we are saying rip to the traditional development. What this meme is trying to say. This is another meme. I again got it from Google randomly. Though this meme is saying Devin is much more powerful than the 10 developers. Another one now, you can hire AI engineer to build your application. So actual engineer is saying, wait, that's illegal. So this meme is now big. I saw lots of other memes are there. Lots of memes are there regarding since AI has already came into the picture, and AI is not only changing like one area, it has been changing almost everyone's life, and it has now start writing code on behalf of engineer. So that's where like this Devin is becoming more famous, and it is now AI software engineer, which means it can do all the software engineering job that a software engineer generally do. So Devin is the first AI software engineer introduced so far. Devin AI software engineer is presented by a company Cognition, and what it can do generally, it can write code, create website, develop software just with one prompts. Devin has I mean, it has already passed all the software engineering interview with the top companies. It can work tirelessly 24 hours, write the code, build the application, do the delivery, and it can do independently what the website say. Now Devin's capabilities. Devins can learn how to use unfamiliar technologies. Devin can build and deploy apps end to end. It can even find the bugs and fix it within your code base. Devin can train and fine tune its own model. It has even capabilities to read some new technologies or new blogs, and based on that, it can take some learning and use it into the software development. It can even contribute to the mature production application. Devin was even able to do the real jobs from the Upwork, what the their website says. And we are in the age of co-pilots. So co-pilots is almost everywhere, and it is coming in almost every product. It can have a different name. For example, people can give a different products give a different name. They might have name called something in different product, but in Microsoft mostly they are calling it as a copilot. So copilot means assist someone who assists the main driver during the flights as a real meaning. Now imagine having AI by your side for everything you do. Copilot is not just a tool, it's your AI companion ready to assist you in your task. With Copilot, you can be work smarter, be more productive, boost your creativity, and stay seamlessly connected to the people, things in your life. It's your intelligent companion, so that adapts according to your need, everywhere for you. With the age of Copilot, we have seen now Copilot in many products. GitHub Copilot, this has been there. This is the first Copilot which was introduced back in I think 2022 or 21. I just need to check the date. So it was introduced then, and it was able to write or suggest, give the suggestion on the code. Now it has a more rich capability. It can write the code in any language because it is trained on the public repository available in the GitHub. So whichever the language or code available in the GitHub, based on that we will be able to GitHub Copilot will be able to give the code suggestion. It can write code, it can fix your bugs, it can optimize your solution, it can do the code documentation, and even it has a Copilot chat. So with the conversation you will be able to write the code. It can generate even entire function, sometime even entire class. It can generate unit test case, so you don't need to write the unit test case manually. And with that, there are several other copilots in the Microsoft product, like Microsoft Copilots, Copilots for Power Apps, Copilots for Power Automate, Microsoft 365 Copilot. Copilot is now available for Azure, Sales, Microsoft Fabric, and I think it will be coming slowly. It will come into every product of Microsoft, and slowly other products are also coming with the copilots. Maybe the name can be different, but the purpose is same. It will be like your assistant, and will navigate, will give you the information, will assist you the task with manual day-to-day job what you are doing right now. I can give one example. Let's say like Microsoft Teams has also Copilot. That's also a Microsoft 365 Copilot. So in the Teams now, uh, earlier what we used to do when we are doing any meeting or any kind of uh, event, so we need to take the record, or we need to take the note of important points discussed during the meeting, what action we are going to do, all the important points someone need to capture and create a meeting minutes. Now the things have changed. Now AI will do all those things. You can focus dedicated on the meeting. You can focus what you have came there. You don't need to worry to take the note. It can take all the note. It can list all the important point discussed during the meeting and what action we plan for. And we are using right now in our company as well. And we have found that it is much accuracy is much higher. So that's how the copilot is becoming, and AI has now changed that way we do work, the way we live likewise. So this is what we can say. Welcome to the era of AI copilots. And are these copilots free? Many person were asking with me. So for me, I'll say none of these copilots are free so far. What I have seen, some copilots are free only when they are in the preview mode. Once it is generally available, there is some cost on it, and all the copilots have their own job, and the cost is different. Are, are s- Costs are different based on the products. For example, if we go here, the copilot for GitHub and the copilot for M365 has different roles, different job to do, and they have different cost. With that, I will finish my keynotes. Actually, this keynote was supposed to do by Satya Karke, but she is not able to because she is not feeling well. And on behalf of her, I am doing this keynote speaking. I am Rizwan Ansari, uh, your today host, as well as I did the keynote for today. I am a Microsoft MVP. With that, I am also a C# Kernel MVP. I'm also Microsoft certified trainer. With the job role, I do solution architect. I lead the software development team. I do the applications for the clouds, Azure, and several technologies. With all together, I have 12 plus years of experience. And with that, I would like to go for the today agenda. So today we have sessions. We have a total five speakers, and they have their own topics. Our first topic is designing beyond the limit: a tale of tech, design, and dream. Title itself is quite exciting, and it seems like we will get a lot to learn from here. And this will be presented by Mr. Ansu Makwasha. Pardon me if I'm doing wrong pronunciation. So he's a CEO and founder, TOS Tech Limited.